Hey everyone, ever leave an argument thinking, man, I should have said that? Yeah, we've all been there. But guess what? Not anymore. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 killer techniques that'll help you drop savage replies, win any argument, and sound sharp doing it. Alright, picture this. Someone comes at you with attitude, right? And you shut them down without even breaking a sweat. These tactics, they're used by top politicians, celebs, and speakers who always stay one step ahead. Now it's your turn. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, indifference. Want to really mess with someone? Act like you don't care. If they're trying to get a rise out of you, hit them with, "Oh, sorry, were you still talking?" Cold, calm, unbothered. It throws people way off. Next, flip the insult. They say, "You're not very smart." You fire back with, "That's a relief. I'd be worried if we agreed on anything." Now they're the confused one. See how that works? Now humor is your secret weapon. They say, "You're late." You say, "Nah, I show up when legends arrive." Everybody laughs, you win. End of story. Sometimes you just gotta put them on the spot. Ask stuff like, "Oh yeah? And what facts are you basing that on?" Boom. Now they have to explain themselves. You're in control. And finally, silence. Yep, just don't say anything. Look at them. Let that awkward pause build. Most people panic and start oversharing or backtracking. That's when you know you've won. Look, this stuff takes practice. But once you get it down, you'll glide through arguments like a pro. Stay calm, stay sharp, and always stay in control. Want to level up even more? Drop A in the comments and I'll hit you with part 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.